All right, guys, today's a pretty exciting day. As you can see, we have a house build started, and we've got our footers dug, and we've got plumbing installed for below the slab, and we've got a few things left to do before they can do concrete, but it's coming right along. This is our first video about the new house build, and I'm out just walking the dogs today and thought I'd give you all a look at what we have going on here. But anyway, I'm kind of walking across the front of what's going to be the front porch of the house, and looking back toward the shop. So we've got a little 3-bedroom, 3-bath house construction getting ready to happen. Have a shop on the back, Barndominium style house. So we're looking forward to it. It's coming along real nice. We've had to have some red dirt brought in to shore up our foundation, just to make sure we have good dirt. And so the dirt that we have is this gray clay, and can't build a house on it. So anyway, right now we've got it all working like we want it, and things are going good. I guess the next step is some more gravel and get prepared for concrete. So as those things start to happen, we'll do some more video and kind of get you guys up to speed.